A failing contactor left in place during a capacitor repair can cause imminent system reliability failures and lost cooling. A contactor controls compressor and fan power and must be evaluated whenever capacitors are replaced because the added electrical stress can expose worn contacts. Inspect the contactor visually for pitting, burning, loose coils, and excess arcing residue, and then perform a simple continuity and coil resistance check with a multimeter to confirm reliable switching. If contacts show even minor pitting or the coil resistance drifts from the manufacturer specification, replace the contactor because marginal components can fail under startup load. When replacing, match the contactor rated voltage and current and choose the same or higher horsepower rating for the compressor to avoid undersizing. Tighten all terminals to the correct torque and apply a light film of dielectric grease to control terminals to reduce corrosion while avoiding the contact faces. Offer customers a bundled pricing option for both the capacitor and the contactor to reduce repeat service visits, and explain the preventative value in plain language so they understand the trade-off between slightly higher upfront cost and fewer emergency calls. The three most common mistakes are assuming a new capacitor alone fixes startup issues, ignoring subtle contact pitting during inspection, and skimping on proper terminal torque and wiring cleanliness. Relying solely on the capacitor will lead to a near-term contactor burn-through because a weak contactor still experiences inrush currents, so replace questionable contactors whenever you replace capacitors. Overlooking contact pitting allows arcing to worsen quickly, so inspect under good light and use a magnifier if needed and swap the part when in doubt. Poor terminal torque and dirty connections increase resistance and heat, so clean corroded terminals, apply correct torque settings, and recheck after the first run to prevent premature failure. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and help contractors find job opportunities related to system reliability work. On our site, we also host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange real-world experiences, preventative strategies, and pricing considerations.